Every time of year is a perfect time to give. And as gardeners, we're just naturally inclined to give. We love to share our seeds, part of our harvest, cuttings, plants, you name it. Well, today I'm going to give by putting together a succulent arrangement. It's my first time ever doing this, and I'm going to give this away. So hope you join me and let's have some fun together. So I went around yesterday and I just took some cuttings off of various succulents that I have in my garden, just different assortment here of different colors. And I had a patient bring in some succulent cuttings as well, so I had a lot to choose from. So those are ready to use. And then I do have my clippers in case I need to tidy those up before I put them in. I have the hollowed out log that I'm going to use. If you live locally, you can visit Manny at Navarro's Mixed Nursery. He does still have some there. I left a few. You'll need your hot glue gun. You'll need some moss. And you don't need any soil, but I'm going to use some soil so that the succulents will have a little bit more to root into and maybe last longer. So I've got some EB Stone succulent and cactus mix soil here. So I've got it all ready to pour out. And what I'm going to do is basically take the moss and I'm going to make little pockets to hold the soil. So you can see that this is already has a drainage hole right here. So that's perfect. And so I'll hot glue this little batch in and then get my soil in here and my succulent cuttings, and yeah, we'll get going. So I think the first thing that I'm going to attempt to do is just hot glue in the moss in different sections so that I can add soil, and then I will go ahead and add the succulents in. So this is going to be fun. I'm just going to take the hot glue and just put a blob there to hold the moss in this spot. Just like so. And then I'm just going to do, like I said, some pockets. Just like this. And then I can add soil in between, and that will hold the soil in. I've never put together one of these hollowed out logs with the succulent arrangements before, but obviously I've done other succulent type of arrangements for holidays and whatnot, and I really have a lot of fun doing it. So it's good gift to give to other people is some succulent arrangements of some type, especially around the holidays. That's fun, but it doesn't have to be the holidays. Anytime is good. In fact, sometimes it's better when it's not a holiday and it's just because. So, and then I'm going to go ahead and do one more on the end there. And I might add some more in just for the looks of it. We'll take a look and see what it looks like in the end, but just kind of stuff that in there. So, and this is what I have to start with after I've put the moss in. Take the soil and just pour it in. You can pick some types of succulents that like to kind of spill over. And there's various kinds that you can even use string of pearls if you want. Those would look pretty. I do have some, but I don't use them because sometimes they break off. And so I found that happens and they're breaking off and making a mess everywhere. So I haven't used them. If you have any tips to prevent that from happening, let me know. I put in the trailers first in my arrangements. The first time I've done one of these logs. This is a lot of fun. I'm enjoying this. And so then I'm going to move on and put in some of my bigger succulent pieces, and then I can add in as I want with other succulents and just kind of pop things in. So you can see so far what we have. But yes, these aeoniums are much darker, so it's going to give us some contrast in the arrangement. These are some of my favorite succulents. I just did a short on how to propagate these, and they're just so pretty, so robust. They grow in the shade, dappled shade. They love, and they have beautiful blooms on them. And they're also variegated. So I don't know if you can see that. See the different colorations? And they even have like a little pink tinge on the end sometimes. So really pretty succulent and underrated, I think. It's really pretty. It's got a velvety kind of texture. It's really pretty. Just take some little moss after and just tuck it in places where it's a little bare. These are so cute. So here we have a beautiful succulent arrangement, and it was a lot of fun to make, and it's going to be even more fun to give it away. Very little effort from your garden can bring joy to others. I hope you get out there, spread that joy around, and garden your hearts out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button and share, and we will see you next time. Have a great day.